sa kotse. At maganda ang weather.
You need to
Omar,
clean.
can we enter through it? Oh, very
This is the Carabao City. Mobilized.
Oh no, you cannot. You have to go around. So andun, kailangan naming tumagos doon. At dahil nakalakang gate nila, we have to go around.
Because have no class, that's why.
Yeah.
So let's go. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng kulay ng leaves. It's winter pero parang autumn pa rin dahil ang color ng leaves dito. Here, it looks like autumn, not winter. Right, love? No? Looks like autumn, no?
It's autumn. Well, it's winter.
Dito na kami ni Mama kami nila Pao sa, ano tawag dito, sa Lidl. At bili lang kami ng pagkain kasi mamaya dun sa bukid wala nang pagkain doon.
I want ice cream.
Mamaya kahit lima, no? Walang pagkain doon, no?
No, you cannot buy anything there in bundok.
Sa bundok. So, kailangan na namin bumili ng pagkain dito. At naghanap lang kami ng aming pagkain. Kasalis na kami. What did you take, ma? Ano ang ginawa mo?
I take pabo to eat.
Ito.
Baka maalat yun.
Ano gusto mo?
Mortadela no?
Kung kinuha mo sa'yo.
Here.
Nuts and pabo. Medyo mahal dito yung mga pagkain compare sa ibang Lidl eh. I don't know why. No, love, ma. Dito yung tubig, oh.
Dog food?
Babayad na kami and we're going. Pan, may boleria. Dito na kami sa kotse. Pupunta na kami sa aming destination. And it looks like it's going to rain. Oh no.
Yesterday also.
But we're going 1 hour, love. It will be different weather.
Where?
But we're going at different weather.
But we going on a different weather 1 hour away from where we are. So maybe maganda ang weather doon. We gonna see. Bumili man kami ng coffee ni Pao. Si Mama don't want to drink coffee. For us, we haven't drink. Need energy. Bumili kami ng coffee. Akin ay 2 beans less caffeine. Kay Pao ay 3. So, ang aming journey ay almost 1.5 hour. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Cuenca kung saan makikita ang different form ng face structure. Ate Gloria said 22 types ng caras, frutas de las caras. So, it's a root of the faces. Sabi ni Ate Gloma, 22 faces daw yung makikita doon na carbs.
But that it's not in one piece, it's different.
Yeah, so we will see. Andito na kami.
Dito kami sa Las Caras.
What's the time? Time check. Anong oras na kami nakarating? Alas 4.
Time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
So, dito kami nag-park na medyo malayo kasi ang sabi sa review baka ma-fine. So,
Ang
it's
sabi ay
better.
pupunta kami sa Costco. Yun pala dito nila ako dinala. Surprise!
Surprise! Bye!
What the heck?
You want to leave that one?
You want to leave it?
Nandito na kami. Papunta na kami sa Las Caras. At marami kayong makikita naka-car na mga kotse naka-park ngayon dito kasi katulad namin, pumunta rin sila para tingnan, mamasyal dito sa Las Caras. Tapos may mga camper man dito. So, ibig sabihin, matulog sila rito. What?
I think people parking here, that's why they get fined.
Oh, yeah!
Where?
Here.
Or like there, under the pines.
Right, love, no?
Oh. There you can park it for sure.
No? So, where we going?
Wala.
Wala. You want a randanos?
Oh, okay.
Ito nakalagay. Ruta de las Caras. O, picturean kita, Marito. Vamos.
Luta de las
Let's hold it. Hold it, I will take picture of Mama. Give me your phone, Ma.
Keep the phone and come.
Mag-picture lang kami muna dito sa entrance.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
22
9, 10.
paces only si 8 solo. So these the 18 paces that we can see. So that's the map, love. Vamos.
Vamos.
So we're going to find now the paces. Oh, did you bring the food, love?
Yeah,
Very good.
yeah, we can. Let's go near the. Yeah,
Vamos.
I don't know actually where is the. Or there the entrance.
No, there is a car parking there.
Yeah. The ones that you can get fined. I would not risk it.
Sa papunta na, ay, bakit ba yan? So, ayan, papunta na kami ngayon dito sa May Caras. So, where we going? This one, no?
We need to find the pieces.
There! So, hinahanap na namin yung mga pieces. Super ganda ng weather ngayon dito. Super. Mga people na padating ngayon, oh. Not as much as people. Katulad sa city, super dami ng tao sa city. Kaya naman, maganda talaga lumabas ng city kapag may time. Mag-chill. Lalo na ako nag-work sa city. So, it's very nice to be outside the city once in a while. Look, oh. The first phase. Ito yung the first phase na nakita namin.
Fish.
Oh, look at this foreigner. Oh, look at this foreigner. Oh, it suit mama the bonnet. Oh, look at mama. Oh, wow, yan ang ganda. Oh,
There's the face there. I think 200 meters.
We need to find
there
Or
is
even
also
middle
here. Oh.
somewhere, so we can go
Look,
there.
this is spiral here. There is a. So, kinarb to nila
Real nice.
long time ago.
What long time ago?
They carved it.
There is another face.
They have a year, love, there on that billboard before. It have a year. When did they carve it?
2000 Pecha.
Yeah,
Pecha.
2000.
2000. 25 years ago.
Dedicated to.
Author. Jorge.
They put the name here also. 1803.
25 years ago. They
Ma,
called it.
There.
aquí también, ma, oh. Ay. So, tingnan natin na pa makikita natin dito. So, ang lugar na to ay pangalan niya ay Ruta de las Caras at matatagpuan siya sa Cuenca. Gaano siya kalayo sa city? 1.5 hour by car. Tingnan niyo yung mga stone niya. Nothing more here, love.
There is.
Donde?
Straight.
Where is the faces?
Oh yeah, there is here. The big one.
There is no face here.
Yee. So, walang...
Nice
What?
picture view doon.
Oh yeah, ma, look at the video. Oh, wow, amazing view.
Take me a picture from here. Wow.
Yeah, I will.
Very nice.
Come na.
Now we going to another place. Uy,
Here, Lulu.
That's why Paul told me we need to.
what the heck is that place?
So happy, huh?
Now we are going to one of the biggest face. Tingnan
This
niyo
is
yung
my face.
the Buddha face.
Oh, yeah.
This is Buddha face. So big.
Take me a picture here. I think it was here.
Tingnan niyo, oh.
Wow.
Sa Buddha. This is very big, oh.
This one is very big.
This one is very big.
Stone.
Oh my.
Come na. What I picture ito.
Ang laki, oh. Very big, no, love?
Yeah, go stand there. Yeah, close.
Serious first, ma. Serious.
Wow, you look so small. Nice. You look like ants.
Why?
Yeah.
We look like ants. He
Look,
look like ants. He look like ants. Ano tingnan niyo? Daki mo mukha niyo. Ano, may pa little cave dito sa gilid. So may mga people man sa likod namin, may kasabayan kami ngayon. At, yep, look at this, oh. Sa cross here.
Very random.
Vamos. Ganda mo. Maganda. What is this? What are they doing there? So ito na yung I don't know anymore how many we saw. This one is from they made it 2000. Nakita niyo yung 2000 year doon, no? 2000. The same.
There's
The
more
same.
like there, right? You have to go back.
Yeah, the same person who made it. Jorge. See? Where else, love? And suddenly, naging tour guide si Pao.
The Spanish people.
Sinusundan na kami ng mga tao kasi naliligaw sila. Where is it, love? Here.
Somewhere here. I don't know also, here and here. Somewhere. I think there.
Right? And it's just hanap na namin yung pangalawang batch. Unang batch lang yun nandun sa kabila. And dito naman yung second batch. So yung mga tao na yun nasa likod namin, sinusundan kami.
Not here. Maybe there.
Have to go there. I was like, I'm so sure, but it's not really here. No way, it's not here.
It's not here?
Can be. There's a way there.
I think there was a sign saying this like more here.
Yeah, we're right. Ta-da!
Yeah. See, better not than
Fire.
Spanish people freaking.
Hmm?
No, better than Spanish people.
It's the design. A spider design. A spider web.
A spiral. Oh, look at the place. Ooh.
Oh, this is a very long nose. It's a very big nose. Big eye.
Creepy.
Filipino.
Filipino face.
Pause din sa Pilipino, no?
Not pwedeng think first.
Nak, tayo ka doon, nak. Lamong ka.
And suddenly, naging tour guide si Pao.
The Spanish people.
Sinusundan na kami ng mga tao kasi naliligaw sila. Where is it, love? Here.
Somewhere here. I don't know also, yeah, here. Somewhere. I think there.
Right? And it's just hanap na namin yung pangalawang batch. Kasi unang batch lang yun nandun sa kabila. And dito naman yung second batch. So yung mga tao na yun nasa likod namin, sinusundan kami.
Not here. Maybe there.
Have to go then there. I was like, I'm so sure, but it's not really here. No way, it's not here.
It's not here.
Can be. There's a way there.
I think there was a sign saying this like more here.
Yeah, we're right. Ta-da!
Yeah. See, better not than
Fire.
Spanish people freaking.
Hmm?
No, better than Spanish people.
It's the design. A spider design. A spider web.
A spiral. Oh, look at the place. Ooh.
Oh, this is a very long nose. It's a very big nose. Big eye.
Creepy.
Filipino.
Filipino face.
Pause din sa Pilipino, no?
Not pwedeng think first.
Nak, tayo ka doon, nak.
Oh, it's video ito. So, nagtitake kami ng picture dito.
Wait.
Nagtitake kami ng picture dito kasi maganda yung view dito sa, maganda yung reflection ng picture. At dahil sa sunlight, tapos sa nature, ang ganda ng reflection sa picture. So,
Because
nagtitake kami
you
ng
see,
picture
you take a very
dito.
close to the water.
Very nice. Aber,
Baan?
we're here to find the faces.
We are here to find the fishes.
Did you
The
count
fish.
how many faces na we seen, ma?
No, I didn't count it.
You have to count. Come back. Go back there.
Go back and count it.
Go back.
Ah, we are in the lake.
We are in the lake. Look, oh, there's a skull in the top.
A what?
Skull.
skull? Where?
There on the top.
Oh
of-
yeah! Nice. Can we go up there?
I don't know.
There is a ghost.
I want to go to picture the skull.
Balik na kami ng kotse kasi what time is it? Love?
Do you see the face? Before?
5:40, almost 6.
Almost no. Yeah, we saw it.
The soy?
So 5:40
It's
na.
about the very part of soy.
At wala ng si Mr. Sun. Madilim
But how
na.
long here?
1 hour and a half pa yung biyahe namin. So,
How long here?
uwi na kami. At
Pointed.
wala pa kaming dalang wire para mag-charge sa sasakyan. So,
Have a very
lowbat
long
ako.
hair, have a
Lowbat si
very
Pao.
long head.
Si Mama lang yung may 50%. So, yung cellphone ni Mother ang aming gagamitin para sa navigation. Dahil hindi namin kabisado yung lugar na to. Hindi kabisado ni Pao yung route. So, kailangan namin ng navigation. I don't know if we will manage to pass by Costco. We will see. You like it? Nagustuhan mo ba?
Yes, of course.
Do you recommend it?
It's very nice. Even kailangan lang nilang bumaba sa lake
Para mas maganda yung view, no?
para mas maganda yung sunset.
Did you like it, love?
Sunrise.
Yeah, I like it.
It's not bad, no?
It's not bad. It's a bit far for that.
Yeah, the distance between each other, no?
Yeah.
But not bad.
No, they're from Madrid.
Ah, pumadiri yan.
Ruta de la Caras.
But it's not bad in total.
It's a very good exercise.
It's good. Away from the city. Are we going to Costco?
A very
Vamos, okay.
5. Direct ride going to Costco.
O no tenemos tiempo. O we going to Action.
6. At 7 at Costco. Over the 7 will be 7 something. Well, Costco works until 9 something. So
Oh, maybe.
we'll have a couple hours in Costco.
Right?
If you have no car, the bus is coming
Right.
inside.
No.
No,
No
but
bus.
like tourist bus. If
Tourist
you,
bus,
if you
yeah.
order.
Balik kami sa
Like
car.
an excursion bus, no, he cannot come, huh?
There's no cars no more.
There's no cars.
You could park it here. I was afraid of it. Get
Yeah.
scared by the comments.
Right, too much, no? So yun si Mr. Car.
Your car
Here
is
the
hiding.
tourists, ah. Very prepared, eh?
Yes, of course, because I want to go to the mountain.
Want to go to the mountain. We plan to go to the Costco and we ended up here. Costco, ah.
She said, okay, come with me because we need to the Costco and buy something. And told me you need to bring bag, and now she bring me in the mountain.
They're growing something here.
And then after that, she said, it's a prank.
It's a prank. We're going to Cuenca.
Going to hike.
Because I heard you need to use a comfortable shoes, but I never mind how she said.
Never know with us, Tita.
You never know.
You
We make.
always wear comfortable shoes with us.
You have to. Buen viaje.
Your car is like a new wash, huh? It's not dirty.
Yeah, well, a bit dirty. Not too bad.
You're back.
Thank you for mascara.
Ah,
First, I need to.
we're going home now, or maybe we're going to Costco. You never know.